State Disaster Management Authority, but District Disaster Management Authority Bhoi District. Haka khat khandai tarik rampang kala yo ban penlong biang ya ka program IG hikai balatip kum ka Yuva Aapda Mitra Volunteers Training Program nag banta ki Samla puli ya ka bala penlong hari Bhoi College Nongpo. Kani ka jing hikai ka nong nyausngi bat ka dei ru ka wat ka balai ban penlong ya kani ka Yuva Aapda Mitra Volunteers Training Program hari Bhoi District. Hakani ka training program and hikaya ki volunteer kumno ban ai ki jingya da jingya rap bat jing kersha ne ki pai ba habaja ki nu ki jing sha ling shop ha ki bor mariang kum ujumai ba plu ye plu sem ka jing shli om bat ki wei hakani ka sngi Sdang jong ka program lawan sakhilang da Akash R Marak Assistant Commissioner Bhoi uba T Yongwai Assistant Deputy Controller Civil Defence Nongpo Uba J Mautho DDMO kam Nodal Officer YAMS lambat kiwei. Habakran hagani gasngi u Akash R Marak Assistant Commissioner ka Bhoi ulai khuble ya ka jingya shimbanta shirhem jong ki Samla pule ki bala wan ban shimbanta hakani ka training bar ula kan turu ban long ki bala koloi bat ki bala pen kre ban ai jingya da ya ki jing imbreu haba wan ja ki nu ki jingja ha ki shnam ki thau lani haga imlang sa lang da ka ba hikai ru ya ki wei lengba ka ni ka training.
Assist them during the times of emergencies, during the times of national and the disasters. So I warmly welcome you to the training of this Aapda Mitra volunteers under the Aapda and Yuva Aapda Mitra scheme. So your decision to participate in this program actually shows your commitment towards your commitment to serve the society. So in times of disaster, trained youth like you will become the first line of support between the community and the administration. See, the civil defense, they can't be everywhere, but with trained youths like you, they can contact you whenever there is a disaster. So I hope you take this training seriously, and I hope you and I wish you all the best. And I hope that you will serve your community and society to the fullest. And I hope that by training you can save lives. You can reduce the panic that can happen during disasters. And you can strengthen the disaster preparedness at the grassroots level. See, at the end of the program of your training, you will be receiving a certificate, and as confirmed, by March you will be receiving your disaster management kit. So, with this, I thank each and every one of you for coming forward and participating in the program. Without your support, without your participation, this training for the Yuva Aapda Mitra volunteer cannot be a success. So thank you for coming forward, thank you for your cooperation, and I hope all of you will do well, and I hope that you will serve your community to the fullest. May God bless you. Thank you.